Hello students, in this video let us learn how to find the autocorrelation function using the numerical method. The formula used to find the autocorrelation function using numerical method is given by Rx of tau is equal to 1 by n into summation of x of t into x of t plus tau, where xt of t is x of t for 0 less than t 0 otherwise. So this is the formula used to find the ACF in the numerical method. So let us solve one problem. Assume that the data in the following table are obtained from a windowed sample function obtained from an ergodic random process. Estimate the autocorrelation function for tau 0, 3 and 6 minutes, where delta t is equal to 3 minutes. This is a question taken from this year model question paper, that is VTU model question paper 2020. We already know that the autocorrelation function of a random process depends upon tau, that is the time difference tau. Now here they have given the different values of x of t which are taken at a regular time interval of 3 minutes. In the beginning it is at 1 the value of k is 0. After a time interval of 3 minutes it is 2.2, value is 1. Again after a interval of 1.3 minutes it is 1.5, the value of k is 2. So in the similar way, at a time interval of 3 minutes the values of xt and k are given. So we will use the above formula to find the autocorrelation function, that is Rx of tau is equal to 1 by n into sigma x of t plus tau. Here cancel this, delta t is not there. Now Rx of tau 1 by n, the value of n is the number of trials here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of trials is 10. Value of n is 10. Sigma x of t into x of t plus tau. We are asked to find the value of ACF for different values of tau here, that is 0, 3, 6. So we have to find 3 cases. So let us take the first case when tau is 0. When tau is 0, here when we put 0, it becomes x of t into x of t, which is x of t whole square. Value of x of t is given. These are x of t 1, 2.2, 1.5, minus 3.0, minus 0.5, 1.7, minus 3.5, minus 1.5, 1.6, minus 1.3. So for these values of x of t, let us write the equation now. 1 by 10 x of t whole square. As we have seen different x of t, we'll square each. 1 square, 2.2 square, 1.5 square, minus 3 square, plus minus 0.5 square, plus 1.7 square, plus minus 3.5 square, plus minus 1.5 square, plus 1.6 square, plus of minus 1.3 square. If you simplify this, you get the value of Rx of tau as 3.898. This is the value of ACF at tau is equal to 0. Now, when tau is equal to 3, if you take the same formula, it is 1 by 10 into sigma x of t plus 3. That means x of t, if I take x of t, means it is at a time, here a time difference of 3 is added to t. For example, I will take the table. If I take x of t as 1, I have to add, if x of t is, that was x of t summation x of t into x of t plus 3. If x of t if I take as 1, then next is x of t plus 3. So x of t I have to consider after a time interval of 3 seconds. Here 3 minutes. After a time interval of 3 minutes, the next value of x of t is this. So x of t into x of t plus 3 means it is 1.0 into 2.0. Summation means plus. Next we have to take the second x of t here. Next I will take 2.2. 2.2 means x of t is 2.2. X of t plus 3 is then after a time interval of 3 minutes. After a time interval of 3 minutes it is 1.5. So it is 1.5 plus. Third is 1.5 if I take after a time interval of 3 minutes means the next one minus 3.0. Like this I have to take the product and add them all. See, here we have done 1 after a gap of 3 minutes means 2.2. Next second 2.2 if I take after a gap of 3 minutes 1.5. 1.5 if I take after a gap of 3 minutes means minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 0.5, like this. So if we add all these products and divide it by 10, we get minus 0.353. This is tau at 3. Next, when tau is equal to 6, x of t plus 6. Here after a time interval of 6 minutes. That means each interval here in the problem is, here each is given at a difference of 3 minutes as given in the question. So we have to consider after a time interval of 6 minutes. That is, let us see, sigma x of t into x of t plus 6 if I take. X of t if I take as 1, then after a time interval of 6 minutes, that is from one to the other, the time interval is 3 minutes. 3 plus 3 becomes 6. So if I take 1, the next value will be 1.5. Now let us take the second value, 2.2. If I take 2.2 after 3 minutes, means leave 1, take the next one, minus 3.0. Then third value, 1.5 after 6 minutes, means 1.5 after again 3 minutes it is minus 0.5, like this. Take one, leave next one, these two like that. That is 1 into 1.5 plus 2.2 into minus 3.2, then plus 1.5 into minus 0.5, like that we will take alternate one. That means in between these two the difference is 3 minutes. Again in between these two 3 minutes. 3 plus 3 6. Therefore we will take first and third, second and fourth, third and fifth, fourth and sixth, fifth and seventh. Like this we will take the each as the product, then we will add them all. That is what we have done here. 1 into 1.5, 2.2 into minus 3, 1.5 into 0.5, like that. Alternate numbers we will multiply and we divide by, add it, and when we divide by 10 we get the value as minus 1.54. So this is the value of Rx of tau at tau is equal to 6. I hope it is clear. So let us take one more problem. so that you understand this correctly. Same kind of problem. Assume that the data in the following table are obtained from the windowed sample function obtained from the ergodic random process. Estimate the ACF, that is autocorrelation function, at 0, 2 and 4 minutes. Here the time interval given is 2 minutes. This question is also taken from the VTU model question paper 2020. Again here the gap between the two, or the time interval between the two values of x of t is 2 minutes. Here at every 2 minutes the value is taken. So let us calculate now the ACF, or the autocorrelation function. The formula is 1 by n into sigma x of t into x of t plus tau. When tau is equal to 0, as done in the previous problem, when you put 0 here, x of t into x of t becomes sigma x of t whole square. So we have to take all the values of t and square it. 1.5 whole square, 2.1 whole square, 1 square plus 2.2 square minus 1.6 square plus minus 2.0 square plus minus 2.5 square plus 2.5 square plus 1.6 square plus minus 1.8 square. If you add all this, divide by 10, you get the value as 3.736. This is the value of Rx of tau at tau is equal to 0. Next, when tau is 2, that is x of t into x of t plus 2. So if you take the first one, x of 2 means it is the next value itself. So first x of t plus 2 means at a time interval of 2. After 2 minutes, this is the next value. So like this we have to take 1.5 into 2.1, 2.1 into 1, 1 into 2.2, 2.2 into minus 1.6, minus 1.6 into 2.0. So the consecutive values we will take and multiply it together, we will add it, that is 1.5 into 2.1. See, 1.5 into 2.1, 2.1 into 1.0 plus 1.0 into 2.2 plus 2.2 into 1.6 plus minus 1.6 into minus 2.0. If these products, if you add together, divided by 7 gives 0.700. Next, for tau is equal to 4. So as already seen, each term is taken at a time interval of 2. So from first to second, the time interval is 2 minutes. From here to third again 2 minutes. That means from first to third, the time interval will be 4 minutes. So if we want a value of x of t at a time interval of 4 minutes, then we have to take the first and third, second and fourth, third and fifth, fourth and sixth, like that. First one, leave second, third, alternate one we will take. 1.5 into 1.0, like that. 1.5 into 1.0 plus 2.1 into 2.2 plus 1.0 into minus 1.6, 2.2 into minus 2.0, like that alternate values we will take. Then after simplification, we get the value of the autocorrelation function Rx of tau as minus 0.938. This is how we can find the autocorrelation function using the numerical method. So with this, we finish the problems on ACF using numerical method. Thank you.